series, we are practicing every day 5 MCQs, and not only MCQ, we are having a conceptual understanding of the topics on which the MCQs are based. Okay, so let's start today's session. First of all, if you are new to the Officers Adda 24/7 channel, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And if you have not downloaded the Under 24/7 application yet, then do download the application so that you will be able to find how many upcoming batches are there for your preparation, and also you will be able to find out that there are certain quizzes regarding the banking awareness that will be really helpful for your basic understanding of banking terminology. Okay, now let's start with the first question, which is asking about that which of the following regulatory body regulates the credit rating agencies in India. So when we talk about the regulatory bodies, we have multiple regulatory bodies. We have banking sector regulatory body, investment sectors regulatory body, pension, insurance, etc. So there are multiple regulatory bodies: RBI, SIDBI, SEBI, not SIDBI, RBI, SEBI, PFRDA, ADA. These are the certain regulatory bodies who are regulating different financial market or different institutions in the country. Okay. Now, when it comes to the credit rating agencies, what is credit rating agencies? These are the rating agencies which gives rating on the basis of the credit history, or they check the credit worthiness of the customer. The customer can be individual person, it can be company, it can be country, it can be corporation, it can be bank also. So credit rating agencies are the rating which provides the rating to the individual person or the any customer on the basis of their credit history, on the basis of their credit worthiness. Okay, so now let me know which of the following will be the right answer: A, B, C or D, that which regulatory body regulates the credit rating agencies in India. What will be the right option? So when we talk about RBI regulates the banking system, money market, or we can say RBI regulates the uh, banking institutions, non-banking financial institution. Apart from that, the financial market which RBI regulates, it's money market. Second, IRDA, if we talk about Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, it regulates the insurance sector. When it comes to the PFRDA, Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority, it regulates the pension sector. So right answer will be none of the above, because the credit rating agencies are regulated by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. All the credit rating agencies are regulated by SEBI. The examples of credit rating agencies are we have ICRA, we have CIBIL, we have CRISIL, we have SMERA, we have S&P, S&P. S&P is International Crediting Agency. Okay, after that we have Moody's, again an international crediting agency. Onikra is India's crediting agency. Apart from that, we have Fitch Ratings. Okay, so all these are the crediting agencies which are providing rating to the customers. Now let's move to the second question, which is talking about immediate payment system scheme is operated by which of the following. When it comes to the IMPS scheme is the service which is provided by banks to the customers so that they will be able to transfer money immediately. As we know, internet banking is way more easy, or we can say way more better in comparison to the offline banking or the physical banking, because with the help of this online banking system we will be able to perform our transactions immediately. So when it comes to the IMPS immediate payment system, it operated by which of the following non-bank entities, public sector and private sector banks jointly: National Payment Corporation of India or Reserve Bank of India. Which of the following will be right? So the right option will be National Payment Corporation of India. NPCI operates the IMPS, and NEFT, RTGS are operated by Reserve Bank of India. Okay, so the right answer will be C, that is National Payment Corporation of India, NPCI. Now when it comes to if we talk about NEFT, RTGS, it is regulated, operated by RBI. When it comes to IMPS, there is no minimum maximum limit. Individual banks can decide what they want to give in a one day, how much they want to transfer their money, okay, for their customers. So right answer will be NPCI. NPCI is umbrella organization which controls or which regulates the retail payment settlement system in our country. Okay, now next question is a transaction under which a security is purchased by one bank from another bank on the basis of an earlier understanding that the seller will repurchase the same at a future date for a predetermined price is called. So which of the following is the service we are talking about? A transaction under which a security is purchased by one bank from another on the basis of an earlier understanding that the seller will repurchase the same at a future date for predetermined price? Is it reverse repo? Is it repo? Is it ways and means advances? Is it marginal standing facility? Which of the following will be correct? Okay. So it is not ways and means advances because in this government of India will get loan from RBI for short term period. Now it is not marginal standing facility because in which RBI provides loan to the commercial banks for overnight period. Now the right answer will be reverse repo. Reverse repo will be used uh, for the repurchase basis. It can be used for the repurchase basis. Now the reverse repo is actually means repurchase agreement. Okay. The right answer will be your A here. And on reverse repo rate, commercial bank deposit their surplus money with Reserve Bank of India also for short period of time. Now, what is cash management bill? That is also known as CMB. CMB stands for cash management bill. It is a instrument of money market. So the question is asking, cash management bills are issued by government to borrow money with a maturity period of, is it less than 91 days, 91 days, 182 days and 364 days? So first of all, it is an instrument of money market, and cash management bill was introduced by Government of India first time in the year 2010 after consulting with Reserve Bank of India, and it was introduced by government to borrow money from the market whenever there is a mismatch of revenue and expenses of Government of India. Okay. Now, apart from that, we already have treasury bills, we already have dated government security, bonds, or multiple types of securities. Now, why Government of India has introduced cash management bill also? The reason behind it, because it is only for less than 91 days. When we talk about treasury bills or T-bills, it starts with the 91 days, 91, 182 or 364 days. This is the maturity period or types of treasury bill. When it comes to the dated government security, long-term dated government security has from 1 year to 30 years duration, and short-term dated government security is up to 1 year. Okay. So when Government of India requires money for less than 91 days for only 90 days, in that situation, the Government of India does not have any kind of security to sell, or government has to take loan from the Reserve Bank of India in the ways and means advances. That's why cash management bill was introduced. Okay, so right answer will be D. Now next is, for opening a Sukanya Samriddhi account or a Yojana account, the child's age on the date of opening the account should be. The next question is, when we talk about Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, this scheme was introduced by Government of India in 2015 under the campaign Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. So when we talk about Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, this is the scheme which is provided for the girl child, to save girl child or to educate girl child, we can say. That's the campaign of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao objective. Now, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account will be open for a girl child. Only one girl have one account. No more than one account will be open for on the name of the one girl child. Account will be opened by the legal guardians, or we can say the parents of the girl child. Apart from that, minimum 250 rupees should be deposited to open this account, and in every financial year, minimum 250 rupees have to be deposited, okay, by the parents. Now, when it comes to the maximum deposit in a financial year, that is 1.5 lakh. They cannot deposit more than 1.5 lakh in a financial year in the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account. Okay, now what is the age of the girl child? It is 10 years or younger. So right answer will be C. That to open a Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account for a girl child, what you have to do? You have to open a bank account of the girl child of, can say, 10 years or less than 10 years. Okay, that is the condition for Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account, right? So let me know, these are the 5 questions for today. Let me know how many questions you have answered correct out of 5 questions. Now, apart from that, the English medium paid batch for your JAIIB November exam is started from 26th of July itself. Now, today it has the first class of principles and practices of banking. Today we are going to have the first class of principles and practices of banking, in which we will start with the introduction of the subject, introduction of the PPB subject. So, if you were thinking about enrolling in the particular batch and you was waiting for the paid batch to start, so now the paid batch is started, and this is the first class of our PPB subject. So you can enroll yourself by visiting the Adda 24/7 application, and you can use a code Y496 to get 78% discount on the product. Okay, and you will get 140 plus hours live classes, 60 plus ebooks, topic wise test will be there, recorded videos will be there. Like if you miss the live class any day, you will be able to watch the recorded class. Okay, apart from that, we also have JAIIB Prime Test Pack that is important for your practice. Without practice, without knowing that whatever we are reading is right or not, we are not able to clear this exam. So the practice test is also there. And to enroll in the practice test, you can use the code Y496S. This is the code you can use to enroll any test pack. Now, apart from that, Maha Packs are also available. Maha Packs are the one solution. It will include all the ebooks, it will include all the live batches, recorded batches. Apart from that, your all mock test will be also available. It means everything will be available in a certain particular Maha Pack. So we have JIB ka Maha Pack, combined Maha Pack is also there for JIB and CIB, and then CIB ka Maha Pack. Now, how to enroll in any of these Maha Pack, how to enroll in any of this product, what you have to do, you have to go to the Adda 24/7 application. One second, let me show you how you can enroll. So you have to visit first Adda 24/7 application. After visiting this, you have to go to the JIB and CIB section. As you can see here, this is the JIB CIB section. You can go to this particular section and you will find all the batches here. So if you want to enroll in English medium batch, this is how you can enroll. These are the all upcoming batches or the started batches for the PPB subject, or for all the other subjects. Individual batches are also available and comprehensive batches also available. Let's say you want to go with the comprehensive batch, then click on that particular batch, read all the details. The study plans is here, everything is combined here. And then you can go to the view offer, and after clicking on the view offer, you will find a page where you have to use the code, and you use the code 5496 and apply this code. You will get here 77% discount, and to get additional 1% discount, what you have to do, you can purchase this same batch by using Adda 24/7 application. Okay, so you will get 1% additional discount there. So this is how you can enroll yourself in any particular product of Adda 24/7 application. Okay, and let's meet at 7 a.m. today, in where we are going to discuss the principles and practices of banking syllabus, or the introduction of the subject we are going to discuss. Okay, thank you all for joining the session, and stay safe.